Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna help you to log into Glassdoor employee account. If you're new to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit notification bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos of our channel. Now let's get started. Firstly, open up any web browser on your PC. Now search for Glassdoor employee login. Now from your search result, tap on first link. After tapping, you will directly taken to its login page. Now in here, you need to type in your email address and your account password. If you want to double check your password, tap on Show button to reveal your password and check your password. You can log into Glassdoor employee account using your Google account, your Xero account and your Intuit account. Now after entering all the details correctly, tap on sign in button and then you will get logged into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then don't forget to hit thumbs up button and subscribe our channel. I will be back in another tutorial video. Thank you for watching.